Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you had an amazing holiday season and are ready to start 2019 off with a new fresh start and feeling encouraged and loved. This first video of 2019 for me is going to be what's for dinner. You guys seem to really like these and I like making them, so we're going to start off with some spaghetti. Easy, super yummy. I browned up some ground beef in my skillet with a little bit of seasoned salt. Everybody's very particular about their own way they make it, and this is how I like it. We also have some of these Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits. These are so delicious, super inexpensive, and you can find them in most grocery stores. Totally let all the heat out of my oven there. I like Prego for my sauce. I don't hand make it, and this is the jarred sauce that I prefer. I do add some sugar. I know that's blasphemy. It is what it is. That's what my mom taught me, and it's my favorite way of spaghetti. These are just the finished rolls out of the oven, and now I'm just going to pour some melted butter with some seasoning mix on top, and these are so good. I do highly recommend not using salted butter though, because it gets a little too salty. But this is the meal. It's a staple. My kids love it. My husband loves it. Spaghetti is great, and you know, it's great. This was our Christmas Eve. We have what we call a chippy dippy party. We had alcoholic punch, brisket, smoked jalapeno sausage, rolls, barbecue sauce, ambrosia salad, tons of food with my cute little kids and my family. We were all having a good time despite everybody's faces. They were just hungry, but it was really good. And that's about as much as I got of Christmas. I totally just zoned in on spending time with my family. So to lighten everything up, the next night we had some roasted vegetables. I just got some green beans, some baby Dutch yellow potatoes, which are really, really good for roasting. I recommend these. These are my favorite to use. And then some rainbow carrots. These were also really good. My husband never had rainbow carrots. I had to practically bribe him with the Dickie's smoked sausage so he'd eat it because he's not a fan of vegetables. Just cut up my carrots. Quartered my potatoes. And I got these all on my pan. This was pretty filled, but it still cooked evenly. It worked out really well. Everything roasted up really nicely. I did put the broiler on for like 10 minutes or so afterwards. I think on a whole it probably cooked about 30 minutes. We just olive oiled it up with some pink Himalayan sea salt, some peppers and spices, and put it in the oven, and it was delicious. My favorite. I really liked it. Then we have our sad little sausage, which is still really good. I recommend that sausage, but it definitely wasn't the star of the show. The vegetables were, and they were really yummy, and I ate them for leftovers twice. Then we had some French toast. This is the best way to make French toast in my opinion. You use actual French bread because it's really dense and it soaks up the mix and batter really, really well. And we just had it with some sausage links, and always hits the spot. This night we had a new pasta dish. I will leave the recipe down below. I did kind of alter it for my liking because a lot of comments on Pinterest said it was kind of bland. But it basically is rotini pasta. I used heavy whipping cream, basil, garlic powder, oregano leaves, parsley, a whole thing of Parmesan cheese, seasoned salt, and some Creole seasoning, which you guys know is my favorite. I use it in almost everything. And I added the Parmesan cheese inside the mixture because it, I think, added a lot more flavor and made the sauce thicken up. And it's just some ham cut up into it. We're supposed to add frozen peas, and I totally forgot. But this was really good, nice comforting meal. And lastly, we had a nice hot bowl of tomato bisque soup. You can never go wrong, especially when it's cold out. We love the Campbell's ones. And then these bolillo rolls. I can never say it right. Tell me how I can say it down in the comments. These are so good from Walmart. I love them. Just dip them in and go. Oh my goodness, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some new ideas and new recipes to try out with your family. And I hope that this 2019 is starting off with a bang. And I will talk to you guys all very soon. Bye guys.